Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about Trello app from our workflow app. Actually, this is a great tool which is going to help you to automate some services on your Trello account, like creating a board, creating a task, adding members, and updating directly from your workflow app on GHL. So let's go over the different steps we follow to set this up. First and foremost, you got to make sure that you're connected on GHL plugin accounts. And if you're a new member, of course, you have to link your agency to GHL plugin account. So how do we go about it? You make sure you come here at link accounts, and when it's done, you come down here at link agency. You open a new window where you have to fill a form, like in order to select the particular agency or the sub account that you want to be connected with GHL plugin accounts, right? So you have to fill a form, check some boxes, accepting to share some data. So when it's done, you automatically send back to GHL plugin accounts. What for? This time to select the appropriate workflow apps that you're going to install in your agency. So let's go on workflow apps. Click on it. There you go. So you notice we have available apps and install apps. So for those who are new members, of course, the application is going to be available here, right? So you just have to select it and get it installed. But for our case, since it's already installed, we just have to come here at install apps and type Trello. There you go. We have Trello. So how do we install Trello? So at available apps, once you have Trello, in order to install it, you just have to come here at setup. And again, you have that window which opens again. You follow the same process, right? And you choose the agency or the particular sub account where you want the application to be installed. We recommend you to select the agency. So when you're done with it, you go back to our GHL plugin accounts, this time to copy the custom menu link. Why do we copy it? Let's do it first here. You make sure it's copied, and then you go at your agency level because we want the application to be connected with in your agency. So in order to get it connected, you come down here at settings and you look for custom menu link right here. There you go. And you come here at create new. You have to create a new custom menu link, right? Let's create a new. This form opens. You have to, of course, to select the appropriate icon. You have different icons here. When it's done, you type a particular name. I mean, how you want to name your custom menu link. So when it's done, you have to come here at link file and paste the custom menu link that you just copied from GHL plugin accounts. When it's done, you make sure you check the preferences as you like. And when you're done with it, you save. After the saving, the application is connected to your agency. Now, what is the next step? The next step is to switch to your sub account, all right? Since it's already connected, you can decide whether you can connect on different sub accounts or you can just connect it on one sub account. Depends on you. So when it's done, you switch to that sub account to connect the application to your Trello account. So in order to do that, you have to look for the custom menu link. We decided to name our custom menu link by apps. I think you remember on the agency level, like I asked you to choose the appropriate name, how you want to call your custom menu link. So here we decided to call it my apps at the screen. You have apps available and connected apps. So the apps which are not connected yet, they will appear here. So let's go on connected apps since it's already connected. And you look for Trello. There you go. We have Trello. Remember, Trello is already connected to the agency, right? That's the reason why we have it here at connected apps. The next step right now is to get Trello connected, right? We want to connect the workflow app to our Trello account. How do we go about it? What you have to do is to come here at setup and you have some information required, like the API key and your token. How do we get those keys? The answer is in order to get those keys, you have to go at Trello. So let's do it. You make sure you follow this link. You use this link, right? Trello.com/powers up/admin. And when it's done, you have to come here to a new. Of course, you have to fill this form. Let's try to do it together. For example, let's say new Power Up integration. Or, okay, let's say, for example, board. Like come down here, you type your email address. Let's use this one. Auto name, let's say Greg, for example, and we create. There you go. So now we were able to generate a new API key. Do this. Bingo. We have our API key right here. So we just have to copy and go back to sub account and paste it. Perfect. Now, how do we get the token? Let's go back there. Do you see here token? You click on it, all right, and you come down here at allow. You have the token that you can just copy and go back to the sub account and get it pasted. Perfect. And now we submit. Perfect. This means that we just connected our workflow apps to our Trello account. The next step right now is to make sure it's working. So we just have to get some tests. How do we test them? We just have to go on the workflow apps, right? So let's scroll up to automation. We click on automation and we access the workflow app. Here's the workflow app. We can get it triggered with contact tag. So let's create an action. There you go. Let's look for the Trello services. Perfect. As you can see, we have the services offered by Trello, like add member to task, delete Trello task, update Trello task, create Trello task, update Trello board, and create Trello board. So let's go for create Trello board. Bingo. Remember, we have our board here. I have Trello. Okay, actually supposed to be Kanban board. Let's say a Scrum board. For those who are very familiar with the Scrum framework, they say board. We save the action. We make sure it's saved. Perfect. Now let's go and test the workflow. We're going to push a contact. Let's look for particular contact. Okay, let's go with Daniel King and run the test. Perfect. So now let's go and check the execution log. It's been just executed. Perfect. So now, guys, let's go on our Trello account to check it, whether it's been executed or not. Perfect. There you go. We have our Scrum board. Guys, this is very amazing. We just created a board from our workflow app, all right? This is very amazing. So, guys, if you ever have a question, just contact our support team, which is available 24/7. Don't forget to leave some comments, to give some thumbs up on this video, and thank you for watching.